You might think you've seen it all when it comes to tools, but today's list will surprise you. In this video, we're revealing 15 mind-blowing tools you never knew existed, all under $99 on Amazon. From genius problem solvers to next-level gadgets that make your DIY life easier, these tools are clever, practical, and surprisingly affordable. And tool number 11, that one's going viral in the DIY community, so don't miss it. Without further ado, let's get started. When working under vehicles or at low heights, comfort, mobility, and support are essential for efficiency and safety. The VEVOR Mechanic Creeper is a heavy-duty garage essential with a 1-inch thickened tubular steel frame supporting up to 300 pounds. Its clever design allows you to pull a pin and instantly switch between a creeper and a stool, making it ideal for versatile repair tasks. The waterproof and oil-resistant PU seat features thick padding and a comfortable headrest, providing long-lasting comfort. With 360-degree flexible movement, 6 ball-bearing PP casters, and a low ground clearance of just 3 inches, this tool rolls smoothly even in tight spaces. Perfect for garages, shops, or Father's Day gifts, it's your reliable helper for auto maintenance. When working in tight spaces or tackling delicate tasks, having a compact yet powerful tool is essential for precision and control. The Bosch Pocket Driver Kit delivers big performance in a small package, featuring a 12-volt max lithium-ion battery system that offers long runtime, fast charging, and reliable cold weather operation. Its best-in-class compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for hard-to-reach screw-driving applications. With a 2-speed gearbox, 265 inch-pounds of max torque, and a 1/4-inch universal hex bit holder, this tool provides a superior torque-to-size ratio. The 20+1 clutch settings and built-in LED work light add to its precision and convenience. Perfect for professionals and DIYers alike, this pocket driver kit is built for power, portability, and all-day performance. When working under sinks with limited space, using a reliable and purpose-built tool makes all the difference. Introducing the RIDGID Wrench Faucet Tool, a compact, durable, easy change plumbing wrench designed specifically for faucet installation and removal. Ideal for under-sink tasks, it fits common faucet nuts, shut-off valves, supply lines, and basket strainers. Its reinforced plastic body paired with lightweight aluminum inserts ensures long-lasting strength and usability. Built to navigate tight, hard-to-reach areas, this handheld tool simplifies plumbing jobs without the hassle of bulky tools. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this wrench helps you get the job done right, quickly, efficiently, and with precision every time. Tackling outdoor cleaning jobs can be time-consuming and physically demanding without the right equipment. The Bothlin electric pressure washer offers a portable, lightweight, and powerful solution for restoring surfaces with ease. Designed with 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, an adjustable soap tank, and a high-performance foam cannon, it delivers efficient and precise cleaning for driveways, cars, patios, fences, decks, and home exteriors. Its ergonomic design, long hose, dual-wheel mobility, and smart cord nozzle storage provide convenience and flexibility. With eco-friendly water-saving operation and safe, stable performance, this electric pressure washer ensures deep cleaning power for every surface, making it the perfect tool for any home cleaning task. Precision and speed are crucial when preparing data cables for professional installations. The Klein Tools Pass-Thru Modular Crimper is a 3-in-1 solution designed to crimp, cut, and strip Cat 5e and Cat 6 twisted pair cables with unmatched efficiency. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame and durable heat-treated blades rated for 2,000+ cuts, this crimper ensures long-lasting performance. Its pass-through design trims wires flush to the connector face, eliminating miswiring and minimizing prep time. A built-in wiring guide helps reduce errors, while the comfortable rubber grip enhances control. Compatible with RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 pass-through connectors, this tool is ideal for voice and data applications, streamlining network cable installations with accuracy and ease. Precision routing is essential for detailed woodworking and edge trimming tasks. Meet the Bosch Variable Speed Palm Router, a compact powerhouse designed for exceptional control and performance. Equipped with a 5.6 amperes motor delivering up to 35,000 RPM, it features a soft start for smooth operation and constant response circuitry to maintain speed under load. The ergonomic grip with finger support offers superior comfort during extended use, while the rugged aluminum base ensures durability. A quick clamp system allows easy, tool-free motor adjustments. With a 1/4 inch collet and micro-fine depth adjustment, this palm router excels in edge forming, laminate work, and precision trimming, making it ideal for carpenters, remodelers, and woodworkers who demand accuracy and ease. Precision pipe bending is essential for clean, efficient, and professional plumbing and HVAC installations. Introducing the VEVOR Pipe Tube Bender, a compact ratcheting bending kit engineered for both professionals and DIYers. Capable of 90-degree forward and reverse bending, it comes with 7 bending dies, a reverse bending attachment, a pipe cutter, a deburring tool, and inner-outer chamfers for seamless pipe preparation. Ideal for copper and aluminum pipes, this tool is used in HVAC, refrigeration, plumbing, and hydraulic systems. The roller bearing cutter ensures smooth cuts, while the ergonomic extra-long handle boosts leverage with less fatigue. All components fit into a durable plastic storage box, making it lightweight, portable, and ready for any job site or tight workspace. Precise measurements are crucial for efficient planning, layout, and installation in construction, remodeling, and DIY projects. The Bosch Laser Distance Measure offers accurate long-range measuring up to 100 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch precision, making it ideal for professionals and homeowners alike. Its user-friendly 2-button operation, one for measuring and one for rounding, ensures ease of use, even for beginners. The backlit display with large, clear icons improves readability in dark or low-light environments. This compact, pocket-sized tool is highly portable and convenient to carry on any job site. It supports measurements in meters, feet, and inches, including fractions and decimals, making it a reliable companion for quick, accurate indoor measurements and layout tasks. Accurately measuring or setting angles is essential for precise alignment in woodworking, conduit bending, and installation projects. Meet the Klein Tools Digital Angle Gauge, a versatile digital level and angle gauge that measures from 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees, ideal for checking relative angles or calibrating surfaces with the zeroing feature. It features a high-visibility LCD that auto-rotates for easy viewing in any orientation. With V-groove edges on all 4 sides and a strong magnetic base, it attaches securely to metal surfaces, blades, pipes, and ducts, allowing hands-free use. The hold button saves readings, and it comes with 2 AAA batteries and a soft case. Built dust and water resistant, this tool is perfect for field or shop environments. Powerful and efficient drilling is essential for completing tasks quickly and accurately, whether at home or on the job site. The CRAFTSMAN cordless drill kit is a reliable 20-volt max drill driver featuring a durable brushless motor that delivers 25% more runtime and enhanced performance. It's a half-inch keyless ratcheting chuck that allows for quick and secure bit changes, while the 2-speed gearbox ensures efficient drilling and driving across materials. The kit includes 2 high-performance lithium-ion batteries, a fast charger, and a VersaTrack-compatible hang hook for easy storage. A built-in LED light improves visibility in dark work areas. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, this drill is ideal for woodworking, metalwork, repairs, and everyday projects. Precision and control are crucial for clean, professional woodworking results. The Piece Chisel Set is a premium 5-piece wood carving chisel kit designed for both hobbyists and professional carpenters. Made with high-quality hardened steel, each chisel offers excellent edge retention and cutting accuracy. The steel-through tang design ensures optimal force transfer and durability, while the split-proof handles with an extra strike cap withstand repeated hammer strikes. This set also includes a honing guide and sharpening stone for maintaining razor-sharp edges. Packaged in a Velcro storage case, it keeps your tools safe and organized. Ideal for wood carving, shaping, joinery, and detailed woodworking tasks, this set is built for strength, comfort, and long-lasting performance. For precise and efficient woodworking, having a versatile and cordless tool is essential. The Seesii cordless wood router tool features a powerful brushless motor with 6-speed adjustable settings reaching up to 33,000 RPM, perfect for softwood, hardwood, trimming, slotting, and carving tasks. Its bright LED light and transparent base provide excellent visibility and accuracy, even in low-light conditions. The quick lock depth adjustment system allows fast, precise plunge and edge routing. Lightweight and portable, it includes a durable storage case and a comprehensive accessories kit with guides and a wrench. This cordless wood router delivers smooth, high-performance results, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY woodworking projects. When building strong, precise joints quickly and easily, the right tool makes all the difference. The Kreg R3 Jig System is a portable, affordable solution for creating durable pocket hole joints perfect for home improvements, furniture building, shelving, and repairs. It works with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, including plywood and 2x4s. Simply position the jig, drill pocket holes with the special stepped drill bit, and drive in the self-tapping screws for tight, secure joints without visible fasteners or glue mess. Adjustable sliders match workpiece thickness, and the built-in gauge sets the drill bit stop collar. The included clamp pad adapter fits any Kreg project clamp, ensuring stable, easy operation. Accurate leveling is essential for professional results in construction and DIY projects. The Motovera laser level offers a 100-foot self-leveling green cross-line rotary laser with 4 brightness adjustments for optimal visibility. It features dual modes: automatic self-leveling within 4 degrees, and manual mode for angled or sloped surfaces with flashing alerts if out of range. The waterproof design and magnetic bracket allow flexible mounting on tripods or metal surfaces. Lightweight and drop-resistant with a soft grip, it includes a convenient carrying case, laser targeting plate, battery compartment, and clear instructions. Ideal for precise indoor and outdoor leveling tasks, this tool enhances efficiency and accuracy on any job. Moving heavy equipment safely and efficiently is crucial for any workshop. Meet the Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit, a heavy-duty universal rolling base designed to support up to 400 pounds. It's fully customizable to fit any machine footprint by attaching pre-drilled corners to a standard 3/4 of an inch plywood base, making it adaptable for everything from benchtop tools to large machinery like table saws or band saws. Equipped with 3-inch hard plastic wheels, it offers smooth gliding and durability. The quick lock foot levers allow you to switch from mobile to stationary easily, providing secure stability. This kit transforms your workspace into a flexible, efficient area by making heavy equipment portable and easy to reposition. So there you have it, 15 amazing tools under $99 that you probably didn't know existed but now definitely need. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you love discovering smart, budget-friendly tools like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we've got more incredible Amazon finds and DIY upgrades coming your way every week. Until next time, keep building smarter and working better.